Roanoke key rear-end accidents, what Virginia law says about fault and compensation. Every year, thousands of drivers on Roanoke's busiest roads like I-581, Route 220, and Valley View Boulevard are struck from behind and left wondering how to recover their losses. Rear-end collisions account for 28.4% of all traffic crashes nationwide, making them the single most frequent crash type on American roads, according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. When another driver strikes your vehicle from behind, Virginia law gives you the right to pursue compensation for your medical expenses and property damage. Most rear-end crashes in Roanoke happen when a driver follows too closely, loses focus on the road, or fails to account for wet hill conditions that dramatically increase stopping distances. A driver glancing at a phone for just a few seconds on a crowded corridor, like I-581, can miss a vehicle ahead, coming to a complete stop, triggering a dangerous chain reaction. Under Virginia Code Section 46, 2 to 816, drivers are legally required not to follow another vehicle more closely than is reasonable and prudent, and common law creates a strong inference of negligence against whoever strikes from behind. This legal inference is not absolute, because specific circumstances such as a sudden unjustified stop, mechanical failure, or a multi-vehicle chain reaction can shift or divide responsibility between the drivers involved. A lead driver may also share fault when they brake check without justification, drive with broken brake lights, or reverse into the trailing vehicle. Virginia's contributory negligence rule is particularly strict, meaning that if you are found even partially at fault for the crash, you may be barred from recovering any compensation at all. Rear-end collisions can produce injuries ranging from soft tissue strains and whiplash to serious concussions, herniated discs, and spinal fractures that require imaging, therapy, or surgery. Whiplash alone can cause pain, stiffness, and limited motion lasting weeks or longer, and even low-speed impacts often produce injuries that do not become apparent until hours or days after the crash. After a collision, calling the Roanoke Police Department, exchanging information with the other driver, photographing the scene, and seeking prompt medical care are all critical steps that protect both your health and your legal claim. John P. Fishwick Jr., a Roanoke native who earned his J.D. cum laude from Washington and Lee University School of Law and served as the United States Attorney for the Western District of Virginia, leads the team at Fishwick and Associates plc. Working with a seasoned attorney who focuses on evidence early and keeps clients informed throughout the process allows you to concentrate on healing while the legal work moves forward on your behalf. The dedicated lawyer at this law firm has been recognized in Virginia Super Lawyers and Best Lawyers of America across multiple years, bringing that depth of experience directly to rear-end collision claims throughout Virginia. Virginia also imposes strict filing deadlines for personal injury claims, and missing those deadlines can permanently eliminate your right to seek compensation, making it essential to act without delay. Contact Fishwick and Associates plc, located at 30 Franklin RD SWC 700, Roanoke, Virginia 24011, United States, by calling 540-345-5890 to speak with John P. Fishwick Jr. about your rear-end accident case today.